Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 28th of October. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Let's go ahead and go into your messages, Aquarius. Ooh. Okay, I'm getting a spill, or I'm getting a slip and fall, something like that. I'm getting be careful, you might slip and fall. No, that might be a good thing if you can get a payout, but I'm getting otherwise be careful. Because no money can replace a leg, to me. So what was the deal? The deal was you're supposed to fake a broken leg to get money. The problem is they keep putting you around man to make the man them fake the leg injury. It's the problem. So you can't get nothing. Because you were supposed to fake a leg injury a long time ago, a slip and fall a long time ago. You were supposed to injure your leg a long time ago. Remember? The problem is them keep put around man and make the man them a walk around with fake cast on. That's the issue, Aquarius. So you were supposed to pretend that you couldn't walk for some time. Apparently that never happened because they keep giving it to the man. Find one man and then put it beside you and give it to the man. That's what they keep doing. So apparently men can't tell pussy and penis different. Men can no longer tell men and women different. So you're going to listen to this man prescribing medication for you when he can't tell pussy and ass different. Okay? Anyways, let's go. We have the chariots, the police, a Cancer. Or be getting the police on your ass because you fake a leg injury, or you claim that somebody did want slip and fall, or you claim that insurance was paid out because them slipped somewhere. Is lie. The police officer will be at your door knocking, asking you for medical records or pictures of the person in a cast, and you can't provide that because you just committed insurance fraud. Yeah. So you kidnap the girl, take the girl, use the girl for insurance fraud, and go around and tell people, say, oh, the girl leg broke. First she have cancer, then she have syphilis, then she have hepatitis B, then she had chlamydia, then her leg broke. What else happened to her? Did she have a baby too? She has exceeded every single medical billing option on her fucking health card, basically. So I'm getting at that, you know. Kidnap the girl and I tell the police that the girl leg broke. This is kidnap. Kidnap. We have the Sun card. Or you kidnap somebody thinking that them when I get pregnant under your care. I'm getting, is it a Cancer look for somebody, right? I'm getting a kidnap that girl here and you tell the police officer that she broke her leg plus she pregnant. You keep telling you. So I'm getting you talk to a man online. You talk to a man, alright? You don't know who you think you talk to. You're not talking to a girl, you're talking to a man. And the man is telling you that, yeah, I'm pregnant right now. I don't know who you talk to, police officer, but you need to talk to this person face to face. And stop me the girl take it for blood clot clown and tell her that she don't like to text now. She don't want to call you right now. Did you tell her you were an officer? You're the Nine of Pentacles. So see her here. Does this look pregnant to you? She's not pregnant. We're getting at get catfish. Whoever talked to you behind that screen, and them tell us that she's pregnant. She's not pregnant. I'm getting something about your location settings. Like somebody have your location. We have a devil card. Yeah. I'm getting you talking to a catfish. Are you not talking to this girl? We have the Five of Swords again. Jesus Christ, and the Moon card. This is so spiteful though. So apparently you were supposed to be faking a leg injury while you were pregnant. I'm getting somebody you were supposed to cover for somebody want you cover for them. You need to tell somebody say you came with them willingly and them never kidnap you. You also need to claim this child that is not yours, and the insurance already pay out. So you need to go back to the insurance company and make them know say yes, your leg was broken. I don't see any pentacles here. Did you get paid for this? I mean, the Nine of Pentacles is here, but I don't think I got paid for this. I don't think I know what the fuck going on. Because you would assume a woman who has a lot of money would want to have a baby, right? She have enough money. There's no, what else she gonna do in her, for the rest of her life? What she gonna do? She have so much money. That's why Kylie Jenner had a baby so young, because she had so much money. She can't care for the baby. I don't know if you're saying she has so much money. Don't she want a child? It could be two reasons. The child is going to finish her money, or she don't really have money. She just look like a well-kept woman. And you assume she have money because she know for wash her pussy good. She used douche on her pussy. That's why you assume that she was rich. Because she know for take care of her arm, her head, her arm no blood clot. Okay, her arm is maybe full of deodorant. And we cannot get, I don't know why they don't. You remember them had the invisible deodorant? Maybe I come up, bro. Yeah, her arm not this color, the ear. Our pussy not have blood clots then. She use things, she use natural things. She use only pearls for her pussy. Yeah, that's why you assume she was rich. That's why I wonder why she, oh, that girl looks so rich and she beg you because she have good hygiene. That's why she look rich. Her hygiene is good. That's why she looks so well kept. That's why she look like a working class woman. Because she take care of herself. She wash her face 2 times a day. She put moisturizer on her face. She do her little ear how she want with. She dress up, she make sure she smell good. The little production she buy, she invest time in how she smell and how she look. That's why I assume she rich. Because your hygiene is terrible. You have poor hygiene. Cleanse your space, exactly. You know how much people, I know what? I bet way more money than me. Live nicer place than me, and them house dirty, the bathroom smell like fucking piss, right? Or shit stains in the bathroom, and them don't take a shower in the mornings. That's why I assume somebody, that's why you can be doing better than somebody, but you just have this envy for them. The person now work, you are work. Them not the money, you have money. Them don't have support, you have support, but your hygiene is terrible. That's why you're envious of somebody who don't have more than you. Because you're like, if you can look like this with $0, imagine how you're gonna look with $1 million. Cleanse your space. You have poor hygiene. There is a ghost in my room. There's also shit stains in your fucking toilet. We have Leo. We have bright future. We have Leo and Taurus. One more. And we have meditation. So with the baby, the police officer, the 9 of Pentacles, the devil, and the kidnap. That is between a Leo and a Taurus. So the police need to check the Leo or need to check the Taurus. Because I'm getting at the kidnap, some type of kidnap will happen. You were supposed to kidnap somebody. I don't know if you were supposed to rape them, but me getting you were supposed to come inside of them without a condom and get them pregnant. That was your deal. So I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.